welcome back to Gupshup with Khanak. This is Khanak reporting. Let's get started with today's topic. In the previous episode, we discussed the different types of trades in the stock market, and today we are going to continue the same and discuss different more types of trade in the stock market. So the first in line is the long-term trade. So the traders who do this type of trading are generally the people who can and don't mind buying and keeping the position, the stocks for a few years. That is a long time period. Throughout the period, they analyze the balance sheet, they gather the information of the company's position. Through news, they analyze all the charts, they analyze all the profits and positions of that company. And when it's favorable, they exit the market. At the second comes scalping. Now, do you guys remember that how I told you that in intraday trading, the investors analyze the market throughout the day before the market closes and then carefully after observing invest. But the scalpers or the traders who do this type of trading don't think about this much. All they do is focus on short-term gains. Now, how they do it? By analyzing the graphs very quickly, investing, buying and selling in few seconds or minutes within a single day. So basically, they analyze the market, the graphs, and look for the short-term fluctuations in the graphs of that company. And when it's the favorable, they buy, they sell the stocks and focus on the short-term gains. Next on the list is momentum trading. Now, this type of trading depends entirely upon the stock graphs of that company, how that company performs, what's its financial position. Basically, in momentum trading, what the trader does is analyze the graphs of the company, take a look at the news, gather all the information to depict the right time to enter and exit. For example, the right time to buy a stock is when its price is low. Basically, it's about how the trader gathers the information about how the company is performing right now and how it is prone to perform well in the future also. And after analyzing that, they depict the favorable. Last on the list is technical trading. Now, this type of trading completely depends on technical analysis of companies' financial details. Now, what the trader does here is that they look at the past performance of the company to depict how it will perform in future. So, they look at the charts, the graphs, and all the financial information of the company, the balance sheets, and predict how the company is gonna perform in the future. And by this information, they make trading decisions. Now with this, I'll conclude today's episode. I really hope that you liked today's episode. Now, since this is a vast topic and there are more types of trading, please do inform me in the comments if according to you, any piece of information is left out and should be taken into consideration. And with that, I'll meet you in the next episode next week. Till then, keep smiling. This will be the conclusion of our today's discussion. To watch more of this content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and we'll keep the videos coming. A KH production.